Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your Samsung notes from your old phone to your new phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let's say that this is my old phone and I'm going to transfer Samsung notes from this phone to my new phone. So first of all guys, I'm going to go to my Samsung Notes application. Okay, this is my notes and I'm going to show you how we can transfer the notes to our new phone. Okay, these are my notes on my Samsung Galaxy Notes, and if we want to share it, we can select the notes we want to transfer. You can tap and hold on one of the notes that you have, and then if you want to select all the notes, you can click on all. Okay, but you have to remember that you need to unlock the unlocked notes because we can only share or transfer the unlocked notes on our Samsung Galaxy Notes. And here I'm just going to select the unlocked notes, for example this one. Okay, and then once you're done selecting the notes you want to transfer, you can click on share right here. And then here you will have some options. You can share note as Samsung Notes file, PDF file, Microsoft Word file, Microsoft PowerPoint file, image file, or text file. And I recommend you choose like the Samsung Notes file, so you will be able to open up the notes on your Samsung Galaxy Notes in your new phone. You will be able to open it as notes. So you need to select the Samsung Notes file. Then you can choose the method you want to use to transfer your Samsung Notes. And I recommend you to choose the quick share because this method is easier and also faster. So you need to select this one, or actually you can choose Bluetooth or maybe WhatsApp. It's up to you guys, but I recommend you to use this quick share. Okay, and then make sure you have activated the quick share on your new phone as well. And to use the quick share, we need to turn on our Bluetooth and our Wi-Fi as well. Okay, I'm just going to turn on my Bluetooth, and then you need to activate the quick share on your new phone, and the device will appear right here after it's activated. Okay guys, and that's all the way to transfer Samsung Notes to new phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.